A marker has tip type and ink color. A refrigerator has volume and energy class. Why show every attribute in every product card? The information model in MarketProvider defines a unique card structure for each category. Only the fields you need, no empty rows. The information model is configured in the catalog section inside the settings of a specific category. Open the category. Go to the Info Model tab. There are 3 ways to create one. Own Info Model for full manual setup from scratch, Fast Constructor for step-by-step creation, and Copy Info Model to take a ready-made information model from the MarketProvider library and customize it. An information model is built from groups and attributes. A group combines related characteristics. For example, the group Dimensions contains length, width, height, and weight. The group Marketing contains description, SEO title, and keywords. Groups are reusable across categories. Typically, you create common groups like basic specs or logistics and packaging that are needed everywhere, and specific groups that match the end category. For example, cooling parameters only for refrigerators. Add a group. Add attributes from the shared list. Reorder groups and attributes by drag and drop. The way you arrange the card is the way the user sees it. Each attribute in the information model has its own specification. Visibility. An attribute can be activated or deactivated. A deactivated attribute is hidden from the card, but the data is preserved. Required. Mark an attribute as required and the product cannot be moved to ready status until the field is filled. Validation is configured in detail. Character count for text fields. Element count for lists. Permission to add new values to dictionaries. Autofill length. AI processing. Images have their own specification. You can preserve the original file name, set the maximum file size in megabytes, define allowed extensions, JPG, PNG, WebP. Limit the number of elements per attribute. Data source defines where values come from. User means manual entry. Inbound channel means import from an external system. This matters for automatic imports. Data only flows into attributes with the source set to inbound channel. If a product has variants, for example, different sizes or colors, the setup happens on the Variants tab. You specify which attributes differ between variants. For example, size and color. The remaining attributes are shared across all variants. The information model sets the rules for the entire category, which attributes to show, which are required, how to validate data, where it comes from. Set it up once. Every new product in the category inherits this structure. Visit our Help Center or reach out to your account manager.